Hi, I'm Beth Herina with Coldwell Banker, and today I have Christine Zuidema from Guaranteed Rate. Thank you, Christine. I appreciate it. Thank you. So I have a question about rate locks. What are they? How long do they last? What are they? A lot of my buyers are like, oh, we're a rate lock, we're locked in. And so can you share with us what that is?
Sure. I always lock of the rate. When somebody goes into process and they're out of attorney review, I always lock it.
Especially in the last couple of years.
Especially now.
Yeah.
Because rates have been going up. So depending on when your closing is, I always try to tell my agents, Beth included, try to set their closing about 30 days.
Right.
Now, it's not because it takes us 30 days to process a loan, but generally sellers don't want to get out of their house within 30 days.
We have inspections to work on.
Right. Buyers are doing inspections. Right. So I generally will lock 30 or 45 days. Sometimes if they're pushed out, we can lock for 60. The reason why we lock is exactly that, because you don't want your rate to go up.
Right, of course.
If rates go up, it's a problem.
Yeah.
If for some reason I lock you for 30 days and there's a problem with an inspection or something and it's going to take 35 days to close, there's just a per diem cost per day.
It's not astronomical.
No, it is not. It's the last one I did, it was, I think, $20-something a day.
Yeah, that's what I've heard before.
It's not crazy. It depends on the loan amount. But I've had people have to extend by 5, 6, 7, 8 days because of inspections or something else. As a mortgage company, we are ready. We can close a loan in days.
Yes.
But if you need more days on a rate lock, it's easy to get. You don't have to be worried about losing your rate lock. You won't lose it. You're just gonna have to pay a couple dollars.
I have one more question. Like, what if you rate lock a certain rate and the rates go down?
So if rates go down, we will one time honor the rate going down and not charge for it.
Yeah.
If it goes beyond that, if we're in a market where rates are constantly falling, and you're like, oh, it's happening again, then maybe if we're in that market, we don't lock a rate in the beginning. We let it float.
Right, which is unfortunately not the market we're in right now. So all of my clients do rate lock.
I lock everyone immediately.
And I really haven't had anybody with a rate go down, but I did a couple years ago, and we just worked around it. Yeah.
And if we're in that type of market, we'll float. I've been doing this since the early 90s, and it's happened many times. You know, this market ebbs and flows.
Right.
That's what it is.
All right, well, thank you for sharing. I'm Beth Herina. This is Christine Zuidema with Guaranteed Rate. Thanks for watching.